All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. This is a quick reaction. I saw a video of one guy, I don't know him. I think he's a content creator. He said that Ebeku Dike reached out to him and started threatening him. And he has something to tell Ebeku Dike. But you may like to know who is Ebeku Dike. Not knowing him, by picture or anything, but some of you may know his voice. Some may not know. Last time I heard about Ebeku happened to be in the platform of Lazuba, a man that she claimed that she's against, but both of them have a way of communicating and exchanging contact. Now, Ebeku, personally, I'm confused about what he wants because he will sound like he's working with Udele, Kesho, so Chibuze Guato, what is the name of the other guy? Jovica and the rest of them. But somehow he's trying to kind of criticize Udele. I was kind of confused about it. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Some people are doing what they're doing without knowing the implication. Because they are being contracted, they can do anything, they can say anything. His own assignment is on PM Ekpa. And he said he's doing that, he wants to make you believe that he's doing that for Mas Namadekano. But if you're doing it for Mas Namadekano, why must you lie about Mas Namadekano then? Now, the idea of Ebeku Dike on what is going on is to eliminate. And the same guy will be telling you, will be also one of those, he will be telling you that Mas Namadekano have distanced himself from many people, from autopilot, from this and that. And I hate it when I hear this autopilot. You know why? Because there's no one bearing that autopilot as we speak. Autopilot, is no longer effective because from autopilot, Biafra has moved to Briggy, from Briggy now to United States of Biafra. I'm not saying that autopilot is a criminal gang, or autopilot is responsible to all the buying going on in our land, because we have seen a video of what is going on in our land. Like, people are reacting on those videos and sharing it to different platforms, meaning that they have come to realization that what is happening in our land is not actually tied on any individual. It is something that everybody needs to rise and condemn. But how are they condemning it? They are not condemning it, but they're making selection, like choosing people they feel that they can use to catch crews. And everybody said that on PM. The primary purpose of DOS is to make sure that PM is being eliminated or being in prison for life. And their anger on PM is, why must you stop our opportunity to enrich ourselves in Mas Namagano's absence? Many of you don't know that today, Mas Biafran Prime Minister have done more harm than even Boko Haram. That is their mindset, because the moment Mas Namagano was kidnapped, they see it as a very vital opportunity to strive, to enrich themselves, and to control many things. Now that PM is not here, PM absent as we speak, they contributed a lot. They just down the consequences, because to them they felt like it doesn't matter what Ali will become in mass PM's absence, knowing fully where they cannot stand or withstand what is going on. Today, the same people that you claim that you are working against, because they want to make you believe that Nigeria is a zoo and Nigeria is not workable, which is, of course, all of us will know that. But they will turn around to think that Simon Ekpa is being contracted by the government. Okay. But the same people who are telling that Simon Ekpa was contracted by government, we publicly demand that the government should send personnel, security personnel, to fight against Simon Ekpa. And if anything happens, they'll be the first to broadcast it and announce it to you that it's a home autopilot. This is just the beginning. More are coming. That governor of those states is working with us. They're going to do this. They're going to do. Then you'll be like, this governor they're talking about is governor working for whose government? You see, because they don't check what they're saying. They don't bother to know how people feel with, each time they open their mouth to talk. Now, without wasting much of your time, please, like I said, do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now hear the conversation here, then we can now go from there.
As Modeshia, Udeya Chere, Biafra Gabia, and then Biafra Kazoroku, and Biafra Gabia. Only eventually today. Only one guy, Ghana, my DM. I'm on Channel my bet. Afa kanji we Maria. And about the guy Ebeku Dike. Because only money we Ebeku Dike. This message is for Ebeku Dike. I don't care. Before one all in Biafra land. I don't care. Timo one all in Biafra land. I don't care. What I'm doing in this social media is supporting the truth and always the truth. So when voice note centric, obodo nwe Ebeku Dike. All onye nwe biko senya si na my DM po. Oso no na oya attract. O track ya boko ndị boko alam. O track boko ndị terrorists they kidnap ndị mmadụ. Ibia na attract. O ga attract me ga. Ebeku Dike ị ga attract ị ga amụ. Ana Biafra ga egbu. Ana Biafra ga egbu. Gbuo my family, gbuo my generation go. Ebeku Dike. So, then, before me do anything, just give this voice note. Then they also, cash, on to cash the just capture the video, on the voice note.
I'm not taking it. I'm on my lord. I'm not able to. I'm on data pilot liberation terrorist. Did you give me a name? My platform data pilot. I wanted to stop it before it is too late. And because I don't want to before, but we have got FC beats. One I will have kidnapped on mother. Nalhamo to her. What is your gonna account to her? Okay, I pass a couple of motor to today. No use the phone of the guy. Threat the guy. How will it hack you going in account here? I got no surprise in my voice. Someone will be quick. I told me no again. No again. I will trace you anywhere you did. Because a man pens in the pilot liberation terrorists. Now, cause woman night. And by him, the man Nakadiga. Maybe Simon Ekpa, we don't know. Maybe Simon Ekpa. You know, Nabakaleke. I'm meeting Namdekana, I had to get from Namdekano, and we know what he said to us. He should have come home and get information. He is against the criminality. He order us, whoever is in here. But any of them on a member of BLA, BDF terrorist that we treat him like a terrorist. He don't do anything stupid. His own people. And kidnap his own people. We have handed list of all the way people have and pictures of all the way people have to him. Nobody is saboteur. They went and kidnapped one guy because of system transformers in the mother. I kidnapped all the guy, the one when we keep doing the demand. Bloom and Maturin tires, and not on this one. And so how said the guy. Anything about these boys, you close their mouth. I'm not fighting to Biafra, they're into criminality. I can just say, instead there are pictures of me saying they're going to be a boy and everybody have been Jesus. They said they're now, I believe, they said some people had an investigation. Had the capital, one has a holiday, and didn't have kidnapped. Before 1 million match or whatever. But and I go to generation. This autopilot liberation terrorist is being sponsored by APC terrorist governments. Or APC Nigerian sponsor. No, wait. They are not fighting for Biafra. They are there to destroy IPOB and DOS with Eastern Security Network. And
all right, I want you to pay close attention to what he said here. That this autopilot are being sponsored by APC government to destroy IPOB and DOS and Eastern Security Network. Remember, he also said that he will trace this guy anywhere he is. The same man is the same person that used to brag that people are doing everything to checkmate the what autopilot and all these people, criminal, always say that. Remember, I am not here to promote anyone committing crime. I'm not in support of anybody killing anybody. I keep on saying that. It doesn't matter your group and where you come from. I don't care. If you are killing anybody, if you are getting yourself involved in killing, criminality, kidnapping, I am not supporting you. I don't promote it. I am against such acts. It doesn't matter where you are reacting or commenting from. What matters is to save lives and protect our land. That is my concern. If you have any issue with anybody, can you focus on that individual and leave our land alone? Do not commit any crime. Don't hide under, oh, Anibo, you are facing Anibo and be buying people. Allow people to live. Their life does not belong to you. Okay? Whether you are from Ebeku, whether you are with Ebeku Dike or you are against Ebeku Dike, as long as you are buying people and committing crime, I don't support that. Now, listen. How is it possible that you are saying that autopilot are working and being sponsored by APC government? But APC government is in charge of Nigerian government today. They are the one that produce president, produce almost governors. But you that is claiming that you are tracking people, you are tracking by using the Nigerian army. And you are working with Ike Guru Ago. All right? So, who is now working for the government? How can you be using the Nigerian army to invade communities in the name of you are searching autopilot and you are using the Nigerian army, and you turn around and said that the person you are searching is being sponsored by the same government that is tracking people for you? Honestly, I'm confused on that. Let's continue.
The BLA, BDF are here member of IPOB and they are not member of Eastern Security Network. They on their own serving Nigerian government, APC and Simon Ekpa. All of you don't know this. They watch alone. Not fighting for Biafra, they are into criminality. I can't make track. In the boys have gone mad to waste you. In our potato, put your hand here, boom, the mother, and the hand boom the flanny, and when the flanny hand Botozo, Jeto the Yahoo, and Jamaica B44, OIE million, they are not Flanese. They have agreement with the APC terrorist government. If you don't know it, all go near along with them. That means they don't know what they are doing. So you don't watch the video. You know about Yahoo, all the kidnapping Hannah and Abuja, men when they had a million. You know about Jamaica people able to use Mamoto.
Honestly, I have not watched any video of Gentus, saying what he just quotes now. That Gentus said that all the kidnapping, how I name it, no one they find a million. I don't know careful. So I've not heard about that one. Okay, like I said, if they're working for Nigerian government, you think you use Nigerian government to track them, to catch them and all that. Anyway, there's confusion there.
No, the APC maybe here. 100 billion here. So you know here. People have your building mother, the politics here. So you know here. In a book, your money in a one Ebeku reach out to you. One nonsense again. One nonsense again from your mouth. I will trace you wherever you came from. And you will not escape it. Don't ever in your life again talk rubbish. In one nonsense again, I will track you. Also, an only email, so I will come there and carry you. Really, ESN cannot not on the flanny terrorists and flanny.
Now, if the guy dare talk nonsense again, no matter where his location may be, even if he let it be very inside of Nsoka, that he will go there and carry him. Okay. Now, the question I want to ask, you are going there by who? Like, who is going to go there for you? Like, are you going to go there by yourself or your boys? And who is this your boys? Nigerian Army? Police? Civil Defense? Just name it. Who is it ESN? Who are those ones? that you are using to track. Last time I checked, you keep on based on your the video of that Lazuba have played, the message of this man called Ebeku Dike that Lazuba have played in the past. You can see that everything is about Nigerian army, according to Lazuba. I don't know this man. You understand? I don't know anything about him. I'm not here to say, oh, I know him. I don't know him. All right. But I'm saying based on the videos from Lazuba, what Lazuba have played in the past, you can tell that he's working with the same element that is calling themselves or Sugadimos or Sunday or Sumo one or Sirito and rest of them, which is of course Nigerian Army, Chibos Egwa, all of them are the same group working, doing the same thing. Then you cannot be working with Nigerian Army and you are criticizing, you are making this allegation that another person is working with the Nigerian government. It doesn't make any sense. I think it's high time to look for another tactics for you to convince people. You understand? Because there's no way people will believe that kind of thing.
But this autopilot liberation BLA BDF terrorists, they're into criminality. Simon Ekpa send somebody to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. Ngozi Rebeze send anybody to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. Ogenkele send anybody to go and see Nnamdi Kanu. After we see Nnamdi Kanu, so can you hear send anybody? Now how send somebody call your fia? Oh yeah, there's a joy in your wall. Oh yeah, I couldn't know how I send it here. And the Japan Nnamdi Kanu will only go that these people are being recruited by Nigerian government and the DSS. They are not fighting for Biafra. Now some of
that is not true. That's not true. They have sent somebody. I don't know about those in Keren, but I know of Ngozi she have sent somebody to go and see Mazda Monogan. Okay, so that is he just lied there. And you are not living with Mazda Monogan. How would you know people that went there to see Mazda Monogan? We don't have the record. We are not always there. So everything that happened in Sokoto can never be made known to you. It's not possible. It's not possible.
Eastern Security Network member, but how join in the politics? We let the rights Indian are fighting for their freedom. So I'm warning you. What you don't know, don't say it. Yeah, I'm a boss that don't matter. FCB, tell me one guy about FCB. Okay, for Haji. I'm not Dobby. I can't touch him and said I will do with you. We are saying, "Kono do to hack kidnap la promote no up 12.5 million. Now only cause 18 million. Now kocha he go look account to Biego. No challenge the guy. After this ML spy. Oko CJ Japan. Had delay or just interview Japan and say that Jenaka half. Ndoto pilot. I pencil be for 2 million. Hakuche no more cost. After set and done, holidays my promoted today. Osuna na toase. Omecha connect ya. Hasia yes na motor de ba toase. Ojeje ba jefu di motor send yalam the key motor and everything. Hajidie. Owesi so nanda and and everything. So number ni ya kwuru ezo. I will send you the key. Osuna for the motor ba na motor and eba na ezo. A man and I look in the tiger best. The more you look, the less you see. Even me, jelly, I look with them, jelly, just a number. They can't use their brain.
So this is the part that actually caught that pushed me to write on this video. He said that even with jelly is working with them. I did not work with Ijele because Ijele is working with the Kesh also, and you and Kesh also, and all of them. You guys are the same. I don't understand how this guy is operating, to be honest with you. I don't know anything about it, but it's kind of confusing, judging by all this, because I believe, based on what they have said in the past and his action, that they are all in the same group. I'm surprised that he's now separating himself somehow from Ijele. Then who is this guy operating with? Is he? I mean, because there's difference between you are saying something and you don't carry action. But this guy is carrying action. That's what they made people to believe, because he keep on sending pictures and evidence, all right, to people that they are in contact with, like Lazuba and many other people. Now, how come you are working with people that the jail is working with, and you are saying that even the jail is working with them? I mean, who are you then? And tell us who are those that you are working with. Ike Gurabu will tell you that he is using personnel, which is Nigerian security forces. He will tell you that pump and play, like proudly announce it to you. Now, if you are against it, if you are against him, like we want you to believe you now, then why can't you also track him and what is? Are you contented with what he's doing? If you are, then meaning that you are different from him. So since you can track and trace people, you have your own way of doing that. Why can't you also do that to Udele or Ike Guru or Keshos and their group? Because these are a group of people that are they are complaining that now they wouldn't buy, and if now they have spoiled villages, they have invaded villages. Oh, the Biafran Masakan have caused this problem. They are actually against Masakan, and you don't fight those who is fighting Masakan and labeling ESN as a criminal, whom you are proud of the ESN. They are attacking ESN, calling them terrorists, and chasing people that look like or they think that they have something to do with ESN. Why demanding for Muslim Americans to buy in the prison and all that? You have never for once track them, trace them in the name of fighting for Muslim Americans. Instead, you are fighting against your, because you say you are fighting for Biafra, you are fighting against those who are condemning or fighting against those that are claiming that Muslim American ESN are criminal. But you want us to believe that Muslim American is for you and you're for Muslim American, ESN is for you and you're for ESN. These guys are calling ESN and Muslim American's name, looking for people to buying people and getting away with it. And you are busy chasing people that are fighting against those that are criticizing Muslim American. I don't understand. Somebody should let me know because I'm kind of confused about it. Muslim American is there, and you are proud of Muslim American, you are proud of ESN. That's what you want us to believe. Okay. People that are saying that Muslim should be buried alive, you don't go after them, you don't talk about them, you don't even mention them. Then you now see a content creator that made a video to criticize how these people are labeling Igbo youth as ESN members, as Biafran agitators, as supporter of Muslim American, that kind of thing. You don't talk about them, you don't trace them, you don't track them. They even go to the radio station, TV station, made it clear to the whole world that Muslim American is a problem, that he's one that is responsible for buying or going on in our land. You don't talk about them, you don't condemn them, you don't say anything. Then a content creator will now make a video and said that shows that these guys are lying, that people that ESN and Muslim that they are saying that they are buying people are not actually buying people. You now make a video and say that how dare you to say that that you are going to trace them and track them and buy them for saying that these people are not buying people. Then you not turn around and label those people that they are autopilots. Okay, listen. Even if you want to make it look like that these guys are mistaking BLA from ESN, all right. How about when they mention Muslim American? Because autopilot don't have a different Muslim American. They say the Muslim American is the one doing this and doing that. You don't have any problem with that. And you want us to believe it because they are BLA and your own is ESN according to you. The question is forget about BLA and ESN here. The Muslim American himself, they are dragging him. Some of them say that they're going to buy him, even if the government release him, they will hide somewhere and buy him. Some said, let them buy, the government should buy him on their behalf. Some said, put him in life imprisonment, don't release him, you don't need to see any, you don't need to come out again. Some said, no, release it to us, we are going to bury him alive. These are people mention this kind of thing, not to be different locations. Then you don't talk about it. You are busy looking for top pilot number. I don't understand that. Genuinely, I want to know what Ebeku Dike is trying to say. We are against kind of anybody. We are against any criminal kidnappers. Come on, I can't. How can I support somebody kidnapping? Now, but I just want to know because this confusion is. We need to explain it well. Listen.
ha na-ijere na-alụkọ ijere chukwu ka ofe egbu ha na-alụkọ mere o ji ọbata otu obodo ya ha ji insecurity were ama agbata eke jetu yahoo gwara ya na enwe ndị na-benefit from this insecurity. If you don't know it, ha nwere benefit from it.
So you see, he just indicted Udele. Now, that insecurity when what effort have you done to try to track with Ijena? What effort have you done to stop Udele then? But this guy that made a video is what you are raining insult and demanding, trying to scare him away. And so how can I now say that you are not with them? I mean, it's confusing. But people don't have brain will connect what I'm talking about. Now, hear him and please like the video and share it on the platform of it.
Melo jaw ha bata ha sen ha shift o. Will voice in here. They know if you are working with them. But I'm warning you. One again. I will track wherever you there and I will pick you up.
Okay, that to him, with the trip battle with the Nigerian army. Fat Bondi, just on the mission, and I say ha shift too. I watched a video of one of the US member media, one of their media saying that this is just that I remember now the person that made the post is Better Gift. He said that how can like how is it possible that these people want to catch the BLA members and they will announce it on air first? Do you understand? He said that they are working together and all that. If they're working together, how come you are labeling that to PM Samuel Ekpa? That's the problem. The man is not even here. And you're still tagging any crime on him. The same thing that Keshosu and their group are doing to Mazaman. Now, if you can use the same tactics they're using on Mazaman on PM, how can I now say that you are different from them? Because it's very simple. Mazaman is not here commanding anybody. For 5 years now, he has been with the Nigerian government. So when and how is he commanding what is going on? Or that insecurity that you guys are talking about? My concern is that you don't talk about them and you are behaving like them on PM then. So you can see the similarity and I can see, you guys doing this protocol. The difference between you and them is that their target is much more. Why your own target using the same format is on PM.
Okay, thank you for watching the video, the voice note, to hearing the voice note. Eventually, everyone I like your Biafra because anybody can talk whatever there is if you want to do anyone. Anybody, if you want to masaria, I put on a platform of man, do anything. Go on at Ebeku Dike, be warned. This man, Ebeku Dike, I don't know you and I don't care to know you. Be warned. That's what I will tell you.
All right, we have come to the end of this video. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, okay, and share it. Let me know what you think about all we discussed so far in the comment section. Do you agree or disagree? If you have a different view on that, please put it in the comment section. Take care of yourself